What's up, food soulmates? Today we are making hands down the best chocolate cake with chocolate ganache. It is deliciously rich and moist. Forget all the store-bought cake mixes. You can mix all of the ingredients for this cake in under 5 minutes from scratch. And you don't even have to use an electric mixer. It's that easy. Here is what we will need. 1 egg, 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cups of yogurt, 1/4 cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/2 cup brewed coffee, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of flour, 250 grams of chocolate chips, 3/4 cup of cream, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. In a bowl, combine the egg, sugar, yogurt, oil, and half of the vanilla. Start whisking it. This is where you might use a mixer if you prefer. Add warm coffee and cocoa powder and continue whisking. Who needs mixers when you have a husband that loves cooking? Add baking soda, salt, and flour. Mix it for the third and final time until all the lumps are dissolved. The mixture will be quite runny. This is normal. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Pour the batter into a greased spring-form cake pan. Make sure it is tightly sealed as the batter might leak out. Get all of the chocolate goodness out of the bowl. Bake for 30 minutes or until the inserted toothpick comes out dry. It's alive! While the cake is baking, melt the chocolate chips in the microwave for 1 minute. Heat the cream in the microwave as well until it just starts to boil. Pour the cream over the chocolate and don't try to film it from the top. Lesson learned. Start mixing it slowly at first until the chocolate starts to melt. Eventually it will turn into ganache. Leave it to cool for about half an hour. When the cake is done baking, allow it to cool down to room temperature before pouring the ganache. Start pouring the ganache. At this stage it is still runny, but if you wait too long, it will set and become paste-like. As a pro tip, turn the cake upside down on a cooling rack. This way you will have a perfectly flat surface on top. Try spinning it like a pizza to spread the ganache. No? Okay. Pour some more, especially around the sides to allow full coverage. As a last resort, tilt the cake in different directions. To fancy it up, you can try making roses from whipped cream with some food coloring. If that is too hard, simply pipe some whipped cream around the edges and top with fresh raspberries. More piping around the bottom makes this cake complete. Enjoy, and if you like our videos and are hungry for more recipes, subscribe.